Hello family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing this pretty face here, my name is Abna. My channel is based on fragrance and lifestyle videos. We love smelling good and we love to explore. If you're interested in any of the mentions above and you've not yet subscribed, kindly consider subscribing, and without wasting much of your time, let's get to today's video. So from the house of Haramain, I have here with me the Haramain Amber Oud Gold Edition. Yes, this comes in a 60 ml bottle, and the notes said to be, according to Haramain's website, the top notes there's bergamot and green notes. Middle notes are melon, sweet notes, and pineapple and amber. That's the middle notes, and the base notes, that's what you're going to get throughout your wear. There's said to be vanilla here, musk here, woody notes, and that's it. Yeah, so this smells nice. It smells so now this retails for 253 dirham. That's the Dubai money, which is about 68 to 70 US dollars, and around 50 pounds, and also 480 to 500 Ghana cedis, just in case you plan on getting this one, you know how much you're going in for. All right, yeah. So, and this is a unisex fragrance, a man can pull it, a woman can pull it. Now let's get to what I think about this fragrance. Personally, I've put in quite a dent here, so I'll be able to express my feelings. And now my thoughts on this one here. This is fruity, it's sweet, it's aquatic, it's fresh. There's vanilla here, it's musky and slightly powdery. Not really a powdery scent, no, but there's this a bit of powdery feel you're going to get when it starts drying down together with the musk. This is a very nice scent. It's creamy and fresh at the same time. It gives you those two vibes. It's when you spray it and you smell it, it's like licking a candy. Now to me, this is a very smooth scent to start with. Okay, it's sweet and creamy on my skin, but somehow turns fresh during your wear. And that's when you start getting the bergamot and those aquatic notes in here. This is soapy, it's soapy, clean, musky vibe of scent. So I put this in the category of fresh out of shower scent. Okay, it's very clean. The musk is very prominent here. This is a very nice fragrance, very fresh and perfect unisex, I must say. This is very nice fragrance, so I would prefer wearing this to bed or after shower. Now to the performance. Well, I'm quite disappointed with the performance. The scent is great, no doubt. The scent is amazing, very great scent, a unique quality scent produced by Haramain, but this doesn't perform well on my skin. Okay, perfumes can be tricky. It performs well on someone's skin, and then you try and it doesn't perform well on your skin. It uses the body chemistry, and then what works for you might not work for me, what works for me might not work for you. But on my skin, I get some 2 to 3 hours on my skin, and on clothes I think the maximum it can go is 4 to 5 hours, and then you smell you smell it. No, you have to be topping up, and that's one thing I can't tolerate when it comes to fragrances. Okay, I don't want a situation whereby I'll be topping up my perfumes all the time. I don't have that strength to do that. So the only problem I have with this is the longevity. The projection, it projects for the first 1 hour and it's gone. And sillage, and it leaves a very good scent trail when you overspray, when you could go like 25, 30. Of course, it's going to leave a very good scent trail. So Amber Oud Gold Edition by Haramain. I think it's a great scent, but the performance isn't the best in my opinion. Okay, compare this to the tobacco edition. I think this is a lighter version of the tobacco edition. That one lasts for a very long time on my skin, but this one doesn't. Yeah, the tobacco lasted so well on me, and the scent was amazing, just like this scent, you know. I think there are three categories. There's the rouge, the gold, and the tobacco edition. I have the two. I have the gold, and then the tobacco edition. I don't have the rouge. So comparison, I'm going to choose the tobacco over this. When it comes to performance, scent wise, they are all amazing. The scents are great. Okay, so I'm going to choose both. When it comes to the scent, for the performance, I'd prefer the tobacco edition, because that one, it's got depth in it, okay, and it performs very well on my skin. All right, so Amber Oud Gold Edition by Haramain was our scent pick for today, which also happened to be my scent of the day. All right, I loved it. I love it. I love the scent, but the performance didn't work. So this is Amber Oud Gold Edition by Haramain. I did a video on the tobacco edition. I'm gonna put it in the description bar. You might want to check it out. All right, so if you're still watching me at this moment and if not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly consider subscribing, like this video, share with family and friends, and without wasting much of your time, see you in my next video. It's a bye from me.